In today's video, I'll show you how to avoid an invoice in Zoho, a crucial step for correcting errors or updating transactions. Start by logging into your Zoho account and navigate to the Sales or Invoices module. Browse your invoice list carefully and select the invoice you want to void. Double check details like invoice number, client information and date to avoid mistakes. Next, look for the More button represented by 3 dots to access additional actions. Click it and select Void. The system will ask you to confirm the action, which is important because voiding is usually irreversible. You'll have the option to enter a reason for voiding. While optional, it's best to provide a clear explanation for your records and future audits. Once confirmed, Zoho updates the invoice status to void, removing it from most reports and transactions. This ensures your accounting and sales data remain accurate. Voiding invoices in Zoho is simple but powerful, keeping your financial records precise and organized. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing!